Hey there, global veg heads. What do you think of this beautiful melon? I meant the watermelon. And I'm taking it to Lebanon. When you eat fresh watermelon, does it remind you of a fresh cucumber? Well, they're cousins. I am making a watermelon tabbouleh salad with a global veggie twist. Remember when you were a kid and used to spit the seeds and throw the rind at each other? Well, this is seedless, so there's no more seeds. And we're gonna use that rind to make pickles. Lebanese cuisine loves bright, fresh flavors. Pickles, herbs, lemon, and watermelon is a natural. There's nothing better than watermelon in the summer, but you gotta make sure it's nice and cool. So refreshing. Brine for the pickle time. Boiling water, apple cider vinegar, because they ran out of watermelon cider vinegar. Some sugar for sweetness, and to balance that sour. Pinch of salt. It's not a pickle without salt. This is a sachet. It's just cheesecloth, and I wrapped all my spices around it. Pickling spice and candied ginger. It's a flavor bomb. I wrap it in the cloth, this way it's easy to take it out. Now, these go in. All right, this is a great pickling spice. So what else would it work for? Carrots? Cucumbers? And this is it chilled. Pickled watermelon. You need to tell the world about these. Tabbouleh, made with bulgur, steamed and chilled. Parsley, mint, cilantro. This is when it really starts to get exciting. All these fresh flavors and bright colors come into the bowl. Let's not forget these gems. Here's a tip. I need some acid in this salad, so I'm using the brine from the pickled watermelon. It has all that tart I need and the sweetness as well. Lastly, olive oil to bring all those flavors together. So what do you think? Are you bringing this to your next potluck? I think that's about enough for me.